Hello everyone, so this is a quick update. Apple just released the iOS 17 for download. It's been out, the beta version has been out for a while now, but then the official version is now out. I'm sure you can just get it to your phone, pop in and download it. So it's the same for the WatchOS 10. So the iOS 17 supports iPhone SE, if you have iPhone SE, iPhone XR, XS Max, XS, from 11 to the new 15. You can update it. So we have this dimly lit video so we can see the screen very well. And we can see the iOS 17 screen very well. My screen lock didn't change very much from the normal iOS. It just shows everything normal. So you come in here, you come to edit, and then in the edit you can create a new contact screen. Go to your photos. I'm going to grab the photo I want to use. So as you can see, we have the person's picture here and then the name. So I'm going to come here, then I'll be able to play around with the text. I can make it slim, I can make it bold. I'm going to make it a little bit slim so that anytime he calls, it's customized for him. You can change it to black and white or whatever color you want. I'm just going to leave it colored so you can pinch and crop so that his head comes under the name a little bit. Yeah, and then go to down. Let's go in and try to call him. As you can see, the font is already there. No, I want to make a full call, so I'm going to come here and tap his name. As you can see, his name is has fully taken over the screen now. So now I can jump in and then call him. Anytime he calls me to, he's going to switch to that. I can add a contact poster to my name too. I can add my emoji to it. I have this one. I can simply do this, and then there you have it. So and then I can edit my name out. Then I can come in and then I can turn depth effect on and off. I can add different things to it. I can change the background color, something that I like. Yeah, so I'm going to change the background color, and then there I have it. So now everything here is a brand new screen. It's not like the previous iOS. So now I had a little bit of complications because at first the speaker button would have been here and everything. So yeah, this one too is something new. If I had a contact card, it would have filled the screen. I guess that's how the layout changed now. So anytime you have another phone with iOS 17, I don't have a phone with iOS 17 now, you can just bump it together and then your name is going to drop and send the contact straight to the next person. So when I come in and I click play, yeah, it starts playing. The music screen is also changes. So you have this kind of full screen effect now. When you're playing the music, it takes over your full screen now. You can crossfade between songs. You have to go to Apple Music, I guess. You come to your music, and then you have the audio quality, and then you have crossfade here. So now I'm going to turn on the crossfade. I hope everyone can see crossfade, so I'm going to turn on crossfade, and then it shows you the number of minutes. You can play around the number of seconds you want it to crossfade. I'm going to leave it at 3 seconds. If you have another iPhone with iOS 17 close to you, all you have to do is get your phone close to that one, and then you'll be able to share the play to the next person. When you start typing a message now, you realize that Apple automatically tries to complete the sentence for you. It's smarter now. It's not like as first when you're typing something, you have to wait for it. So now I'm going to put the charger in my phone to start charging, and then it says welcome to the standby mode. I hope people can see it. So now welcome to the standby mode. It says you helpful, we get showcase favorite photos. So now my phone is in the standby mode. Anytime I'm sleeping, my phone is charging. I can leave it here so that I can see the screen. When I wake up, I can see the screen, and then I can see the calendar. I can see the time. The other way gets I can scroll through here and like the weather, and then the events I have for the day, my reminders and other stuff. I can also come in and then change the widgets to there are a lot of displays like the Apple Watch that you can change it. You can come in and then play your music right from here. So the moment you tap your music, it starts playing right from this mode. All you have to do is make sure your phone is standing horizontally when you're charging it at night. After the quick update to the WatchOS 10, it says most of the apps will make use of the corners of the watch. Okay, yeah, so the new timer screen feels this way. They have you have most of the icons at the bottom corner, trying to make a use of the curve. So with the smart start, the moment I just swipe up, we have the smart start now. You have tips for perfect hiking trail, stopwatch. You have things like your weather, and you have things like your goals for the day, like how many rings you've been able to close, and then you can swipe up again to get to all the apps. So the moment I'm in an app and I just press the control button now, I'm able to access this to do whatever I want to do. And then they have the night globe, they have the palettes, they have Snoopy, they have solar analog. So I think I like the palette, so I'm going to add that one. Let's see how it looks like. As you can see, there's the new watch screen. So now you can connect Bluetooth devices to it, but then at the same time they've added some different information to it. So now we have different zones whilst you're cycling. It records different zones. So we have zone 1, it records your zone 1, zone 2, zone 3, and then it breaks it down to zones. At the same time, with the elevation gain and everything, writes down here. So that's it for the cycling app. If you're someone that also goes hiking, now with the new compass feature on the Apple Watch Ultra, it's able to track your elevation gain and then the places that you've gone to. The mindfulness app, we have 3 different zones now. So at first it was just the breathe. You take a time and then you breathe, but then now we have the state of mind, where you can log in your state of mind. You can log in how you are feeling right now, or how you felt throughout the day. So you can log in right now. I'm feeling neutral. I can just log that in, and then just go content, and then my health, content with my health, and then it logs in that I'm feeling neutral right now. So it's going to keep that in the records and then later on bring it up to you. Another thing that you can do is also reflect on the moment. So it says take a moment to pause and think about the last time you made something. It could be a meal, art project, recall details, and then you begin to reflect on some of the things you've done. I remember doing some reflection exercises, and then it's a very great place to be in. So the next thing they talk about is the Apple Fitness Plus and other things, but then all in all, this has been the WatchOS 10. It's changed a lot. We have a lot of different upgrades to it now, and I'm happy you can get this on your Apple Watch 4, so you don't need to go and get a new Apple Watch to experience this. So this has been my breakdown of the new iOS 17 and Apple Watch OS 10. Hope you subscribe to this channel and like this video.